I'm Tony Le-Britton and I'm here at RHS Wisley creating 12 festive wreaths for the Princess of Wales Carol service at Westminster Abbey. And here are my top tips if you want to do one at home. My first tip is all about the base and the structure. It's really important to take your time and get that right. It needs to stand up to the elements outside. If you only need your wreath to last a few weeks, do what we've done and create something out of woven branches or willow. But if you want it to last a little bit longer, add sphagnum moss or straw, and that's going to hold water and allow your plants to take up that water and last a bit longer. My second tip is to add your foliage in layers. I like to start with something strong and sturdy like a fir, get that base layer down and then add each plant layer by layer until it's really full and abundant. And then you can add your special features like berries, pine cones and dried flowers. My third tip is the most important thing for me. I love to add scent to wreaths. I love scent right through the year, and it's difficult to come by during the winter. So most of the evergreen foliage we use does have a scent, but think outside the box and bring in some things like eucalyptus or even rosemary to just add a whole new dimension when you walk past your wreath into your front door. My fourth tip is how to maintain your wreath. It really depends on the type that you've decided to make. If it's one like ours that doesn't have sphagnum or straw, you can spray it with water intermittently to keep it fresh and keep it somewhere cool. If it does have sphagnum or straw, once a week you can take it down, immerse it in some water, allow it to absorb that, and then pop it back up on your door. That's going to help it last as long as possible right into the new year. I hope you have a great time creating your own wreath at home. Merry Christmas.